Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. We're gonna do a daily vlog. So I normally get a good 8 hours sleep. Like, I'm very particular about my sleep. I like to get the full 8 hours. I like to be well rested. Last night at 1:30 in the morning, I got woken up by people screaming, like blood-curdling screams on my street. And I couldn't get back to sleep because I was thinking, why are they screaming? Why are they out at 1:30 in the morning? Why are they near my house? You know? Yeah, I'm really tired and exhausted today, but I have something to show you. Actually, I'm going to do my makeup first quickly and then I have something to show you. Okay, so let me introduce you to my new favorite thing. Okay, so I am so incredibly excited to talk about this. So if you've been watching closely my last couple of videos, you might have seen me taking this little shot in the morning. And lately I have just been loving researching things to do with like gut health and mind health and what types of ingredients make the body work better and perform better and things like that. And so naturally I'm obsessed with this. This beautiful little green bottle of magic is called Magic Mind. In a nutshell, it basically just makes me feel more alert, it makes me think clearer, and I can stay focused for longer, essentially. I've been drinking this every single morning for the last couple of weeks and I've just loved how it makes me feel. It tastes like a fun little passion fruit juice, and I'm not gonna lie, the aftertaste, it was a little bit hard to get used to at first. I'd say maybe after like 3 days, the aftertaste, like you can barely notice it. You can have this with your morning coffee or you can have it on its own. I personally don't like the taste of coffee, so I just have this on its own, and it does such a good job at just helping me stay focused, and I honestly feel less anxious because it clears your head, it clears the thoughts. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, like I've just started a new job and I'm a very anxious person. Anxiety is just something that I've been dealing with for quite a few years now. And you know, when you start a job or you start something new and you just get this massive wave of anxiety, I love how this product makes me feel. Starting a new job for the first month or two would normally be agonizing. Like, it's such a hard time because there's all of these new changes. Since I've been drinking Magic Mind every single day, those anxious thoughts just disappear. I am so incredibly grateful for what Magic Mind has given me. It has given me the clarity, the clearness. I can focus. You know what I mean? It's a fresh breath of air. It's just such a relief that a little shot like this can have such a big impact. So what makes this actually work is it's got nootropics inside of it. So it's got ashwagandha and L-theanine. I think it's pronounced L-theanine. So I'm going to explain what these nootropics actually do. So the ashwagandha reduces stress and anxiety, and the L-theanine helps to increase focus and attention. And L-theanine is also found in matcha as well. So it's like a sustainable energy. So it's not like coffee where it just like shoots energy and then you get that really big crash in the arvo. These guys at Magic Mind are also working on becoming more sustainable, which is just, it's music to my ears. It's music to my ears. I love when companies are just like constantly working on being better, being more sustainable, things like that. And so I've kept every single one of my little bottles and I'm propagating little plants in them. How cute is that? But yeah, if you struggle to stay focused or if you have anxiety, I would highly recommend Magic Mind. If you do want to check it out, you can click the link down in my description. I also have a discount code, Darby20, which will get you 56% off your first subscription for the next 10 days. But yeah, considering I didn't have much sleep last night, also don't forget to shake it, because let me show you one. This is the one that I've just shaken, and as you can see, there's like no little bits on the bottom. And this is the one that I haven't shaken. So that's all the good stuff. So make sure when you do try this, make sure to shake it first. But yeah, considering the night that I had last night, and I have such a busy day today, like this is, I need this. I need this today. Cheers. So good. I have a lot to do today, and I think I'm gonna do shopping first and then come home and do all of the home things. So like I'm out and about, I can come home and just knock everything out. Yeah. Try Magic Mind. I don't know how many more times I can say it. Try Magic Mind. So good. So the things I need to get from the shops, look, they're not 100% necessary, but we've just needed them for such a long time, and I just feel like spending a little bit of money today. I always love a good shopping trip. I haven't actually seen Cosmo in maybe like an hour. I'm a bit concerned because normally he's like always growling at me. He's always my shadow, and so it feels weird. Wonder what he's up to. Maybe he's sunbaking. It's quite a nice day today actually. It's not too hot. Look at me talking about the weather. I'm gonna stop talking about the weather. Oh, I feel like today is just getting away from me. I found him. Hi. You gonna come inside? Come on. What are you doing? Do you want to come in or not? Hi. I've got a sad update for you. All my little apple plants died. Good news, one of our little poinciana seeds are doing so well. The rest, not so well, but we're gonna take good care of her. How pretty. Oh, bye. Did I tell you guys that the speaker I got just doesn't work? So now I have to listen to the radio. Most of the time the radio has like really bad music, so I just like put my phone in the cup holder and it's like really tinny, but at least it's Taylor Swift, you know? New girl is my clone. And say the one thing I've been wanting to know. So I just picked up a bunch of stuff from Kmart, just things like cookie trays, organizers, things like that. I have some really exciting stuff to share with you as well. I feel like today is just the day of me sharing things. I got a delivery yesterday, which kind of like finalizes my little package. I don't know. I'll tell you when I'm home. But I also got some sushi. I can't remember the last time I ate sushi and I'm so excited. So let's go home and then we can chat. What am I going to listen to, you may ask? Well, what a silly question. Do you know me at all? Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this live. Oh my god, it's in less than a month. I'm going to Taylor Swift in less than a month. Beyond excited. To hear Long Live live, that sounds funny. It's gonna be incredible. I said remember this moment. I'm finally getting to use the little chopsticks I got in China. Cheers. So I just got really distracted on Instagram and wasted about 15 minutes of my day, which is not ideal, but I just found one of the most wholesome pages. It's called Smile for New York, and this guy just goes around New York taking photos of people without them knowing, which sounds a bit weird, but he like prints them out and finds them a couple minutes later and says, hey guys, like I just took this photo of you, and the reactions on these people's faces is so great and wholesome. And I just love when I find pages like that. Like a lot of social media can just be so incredibly negative, but I find wholesome content like that and I just eat it up. Like I just spent 15 minutes scrolling this little page and I just loved it, so I thought I would share it with you. Anyway, let me show you what I got from Kmart. And yes, I am procrastinating cleaning my kitchen. Don't look. But that's fine, we'll get to it later. I swear this tripod is always in the background of everything. Day in the life of a content creator. No kidding. Okay, so what I got from Kmart, I got 2 baking trays. I got a little metal organizer to store said baking trays and pots and pans. I got some tissue paper, which is gonna lead me into the very, very exciting thing. I got 2 drawer organizers because I finally got the rest of my Valentine's Day collection printed and they're so cute. I love them. So I have 5 in total. And I'm gonna put all of the stickers in one of these because I don't have many yet. I'm planning to get like a really big organizer with little drawers where like all my stickers can be individually, but for now, since I don't have many, I'll just put them in one of these. And I'll put all my bookmarks in one of them as well. Let me show you the little collection. Do you want the cardboard? There you go. So my stickers will just go in one of these. Oh my god, I always make the mistake of giving Cosmo cardboard while I'm filming. Now you're going to be hearing him chewing. Anyway, so we have this one that says you're cute. So cute. And then we've got one that says be mine. We have one that says kiss me. We have this love you. And this one is probably my favorite. Hey, get out of my bag, please. And then we have XOXO. I just think is the cutest little collection, and it's now available up on Etsy, so I'll also put that link in the description too. And I'm just so excited to finally have my little stickers up and running. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them all into this little container. Okay, so it looks like they're not all gonna fit in one, so lucky I did buy 2. I can just leave the bookmarks. Actually, I don't think I told you about the bookmarks. So I don't know if I told you about these, but instead of a just a blank like thank you card that you can't really do anything with. I've made my little thing that goes with all my orders. It says a little like thank you for your order, but you can also like chop it off here and then you're still left with a bookmark that doesn't have all the like black writing on it. So it's like a 2-in-1 sort of thing, which I find really fun. And I think like the stickers will look so cute like packaged with that, because it's like the little, like a little terrazzo pattern. And yeah, I don't know, I just think it's so much fun. But yeah, I currently just have the bookmarks stored in the box that they came in. I was planning on putting it in one of these, but since all the stickers aren't going to fit in just one, then I'll separate that into 2. That's so fun. Oh my god. Look how cute. So down here in the kitchen, we have one of these like really awkward corner cupboards, which I just hate the way that's laid out, and it's so hard to get things at the back. And I hate this like stacked section here. So that's what I'm going to fix today. I thought this was going to be such an easy thing, but I need to put all the pieces together. Okay, so that was so much easier than I thought. You just literally had to screw them onto these bits. And it's kind of like one of those instruments where you like pull it apart. Depends on how big your space is. So a lot of the time I'll start a task thinking it will be like 5-10 minutes max. And then it turns into be like a half an hour job, or maybe like an hour job, and I get really unmotivated to do it. And then I see something small and I'm like, oh, that'll only take 5 minutes, so I'll go do that, and then I'll leave this one half done. And so that's what I'm gonna do. From Kmart, I also bought these little diffuser things, and I'm just gonna put them all over the house because the ones we have at the moment are empty. So this is our little windowsill in our little toilet area. Why do windowsills literally get so dirty so quickly? I also love this Who Gives a Crap toilet paper. I think it's so fun. So both of my cameras just died, and I'm about to hop in the shower to do an everything shower, and I just wanted to show you like my hair that's like unbrushed. It has like a nice little wave to it. It's like a little bit fuzzy but not too bad. And then we go over this side to where I've brushed my hair, and it is just so incredibly like buffy and fluffy, and it's just huge. And so I just like, if anyone's wondering why people with like wavy curly hair don't brush their hair all the time, it's literally because it looks like this. Look at how huge that is. You can tell that it's just happened from like the blonde, because like my natural hair is like really nice, and then it just like puffs up like crazy. Look at all look at all of this hair. How ridiculous. Excuse my hair, it's still air drying, but I just got my first sticker order, and so we're gonna figure out how to pack it together. First I need to clean my desk. Actually, I'll just move it all to the side. I don't want to clean it. So I got some tissue paper from Kmart today because I wasn't sure if I was going to get an order before my big tissue paper order came, and I did. So lucky I picked this up. It's just a little Hallmark one. I think it was like $4 or something, so definitely not the price I want to be paying for tissue paper, but it'll do for now. So this is fun. I get to decide like how to package it. So obviously later down the track I'll get like custom everything, but I just have these little thank you stickers that I bought ages ago. I also got heaps of little envelopes off Facebook Marketplace when we moved here. Someone was selling like big big boxes of thousands and thousands of envelopes, and I'm like, oh, I want to start up this sticker business. And these big boxes have just been sitting here for pretty much an entire year. It's coming up to 1 year that we've been in this house, which, sorry, that's insane. So these big heavy boxes of envelopes have just been sitting here for a year, but I'm finally getting around to using them. So I think we'll start with the tissue paper and we'll lay that one out. This is so fun. I love like figuring out things for the first time. Okay, I think these are so much bigger than I need them to be. Oh my god, they're huge. Okay, so there's 5 massive sheets like this. Maybe I could just use this tissue paper for like the first 100 orders. I don't want to have it so they've got too much tissue paper that it's wasteful, but also enough to cover it if it rains or something, and just to protect the stickers a little bit more. So I've just got all the stickers in there. That's what it's going to look like. Cute! And then that one is all packaged up and ready to go. I am going to have so much fun with this little sticker business. When I had my cookie business, my favourite part of it was the packaging, and I feel like with stickers, most of it is packaging. I'm so excited! I just wanted to pop in at the end of this vlog to say don't forget to check out Magic Mind. They've got a money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, they'll refund you 100%, no questions asked. The link is in the description, and I can't wait for you to feel how I feel after you have Magic Mind. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!